Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's maths lesson. Today is Wednesday, the 24th of February, and we're going to have a look at grouping. We've started our work on division. Yes, the last 2 days we've been looking at sharing. Now, today we're going to start looking at having a number and grouping them, whether it's in twos, threes, fives, or tens. So, watch this introductory video on making equal groups as grouping. Okay, so pause the video, go to that video from White Rose and watch the video. Then let's have a look at how we can make equal groups. Okay, let's have a look how many socks and how many pairs we can make. Okay, can you see that there are 6 on the top and 6 on the bottom? So I think that would be 6 pairs, wouldn't it? There's a black pair, purple pair, spotty pair, another black pair with white stripes, yellow pair, white pair. Let's have a look. Could we complete these sentences? So how many socks were there all together? Can you remember? Right, there are 6 on the top and 6 on the bottom. So that would be 6 and 6, we know that. So double, that would be 12 socks altogether. And we know in a pair that there are 2 in each pair. How many pairs of socks? Yeah, we said that there'd be 6 pairs. Now then, here are some counters, okay? Maybe you could get them counters out and practice in front of you. So if you had, how many are there? Quick, I know, 4 and 4 is 8. So get 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom. Doesn't have to be counters, can be pasta or anything. Now then, put them into groups of 2. So we know that there are 8 counters. And how many equal groups of 2? Have we grouped them? Yes, you're right. There's 4 equal groups. Now then, they've already put them into groups. Groups of what? Recognise it straight away from a dice. Yeah, 5 in each group. So, how many counters altogether? Do we know what 4 5s are? If we do it straight away. If not, count. Well, I know 5 and 5 is 10. Another 5 and 5 is 10. So 20. But if I really didn't know that strategy, I could go 5, 10, 15, 20. So 20 counters altogether. How many equal groups? Yes, you're right. We said there are 4 equal groups of 5 counters. Now then, let's have a look at this one. A bit harder, isn't it? How many do you think there are? Count really carefully. Try not to count them more than once, because that's quite difficult, isn't it? 5, 6, 7. Oh, yes. 10 counters in each, so 10. How many, if there's 10 and 10 and 10? 3 tens, I know that, 30. So 30 counters altogether and 3 equal groups of 10 counters. Now then, see if you can do this. Use 30 counters, okay? How many equal groups of 2 can you make? How many equal groups of 5 can you make? How many equal groups of 10? Talk about your answers. See if you can write them stem sentences. So the first one would be, it would always be, there are 30 counters altogether. How many equal groups of 2 counters can you make? How many equal groups of 5 counters? So equal groups of 2 counters, equal groups of 5 counters. Then, if you've done that and you find that easy, what about doing it with 20 counters? How many equal groups of 2 can you make? Equal groups of 5, equal groups of 10. Maybe try 10 counters. Then try 10 counters. What about 15 counters? Can you make equal groups of 2? Can you make equal groups of 5? Can you make equal groups of 10? Have a go. Remember, if you do this, take some pictures, send me your STEM sentences, and I look forward to seeing your amazing work on grouping.